Hello dear students, this is our fourth lecture in Module 2 and today we are going to talk about writing a summary of an article or a text. And I remember that my name is Tatiana Vladimirovna and let's get started. The main annotation parameters. The abstract is an independent source of information from the article. It includes a description of the main topic, problems, object, purpose of the work and its results. The recommended volume is 150 or 200 words. Why to write a summary? The goal of writing a summary of an article, a chapter or a book is to offer as accurately as possible the full sense of original, but in a more condensed form. A summary restates the author's main point, purpose, intent, and supporting details in your own words. Preparation for the writing a summary. Step 1. Read the article with a critical eye for general understanding. Check the length of the article, then read the headings, subheadings, graphs, tables, pictures. Next, read the introduction and the conclusion of the first and the last paragraphs. After that, read the first and the last paragraphs of each section between the headings. This approach will provide you with a preview of the work, helping you to effectively engage with it. Step 2. Read each section, jotting down notes or highlighting the important points in the text in the margins. Write the central idea and the author's reasons, purpose, and intent for holding this viewpoint. Note that supporting elements the authors use to explain or back up the main information or claim. Step 3. Reread the article step by step. Try to recognize collocations. Example, 2 or more words that often go together. You should treat collocations as single blocks of language. Use specialized dictionaries or collocations. Example, Oxford Collocations Dictionary for students of English. Compiling a glossary. Make a list of main ideas. Find the important ideas, the important words or phrases. In some way, mark them, write them down, underline or highlight them. Find alternative words, synonyms for these words, phrases. Do not change specialized vocabulary and common words. And start writing the summary. Let's talk about annotation plan. The title of article or the text. How to do it correctly. First of all, the article text is highlighted. The headline of the article text I have read is and continue this thought. As the title implies, the article or text describes and please also continue these thoughts with your own words. It's not so hard. Second, the author of the article, where and when the article was published. The author of the article text is continue. The author name is continue. Unfortunately, the author's name is not mentioned. Continue. The article text is written by continue. It was published in or on the internet. It is a newspaper or scientific article. For example, published on March the 10th, 2020 in 2010. Third, the main idea of the article. The main idea of the article or the text is continue. The article text is about continue. The article text is devoted to continue. The article text deals is concerned with continue. The article text touches upon the issue of continue. The purpose of the article text is to give the reader some information on continue. The aim of the article text is to provide the reader with some material continue. 4. The contents of the article, some facts, names and figures. The author starts by telling the reader that continue. The author of article writes, reports, states, stresses, thinks, notes, considers, believes, analyzes, points out, and so on, and just continue. Much attention is given to continue. According to the article, continue. The article goes on to say that continue. It is reported, it is spoken in detail about. From what the author said, it becomes clear. Guys, exactly, I prepared for you a really useful information and a really lot of useful phrases. Just use them in your summary. And let's talk about your opinion. Also, here I prepared for you some useful phrases that also you can use while you will do your summary text. And while you will write exactly this summary completion. You can study them very attentively. And guys, for today that's all. I hope that my lecture and also my own vocabulary will be very useful for you. And after this lecture, I attached for you some materials that you should do after you will watch this video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.